Hey there, so how to add paid partnerships on Pinterest. So I just trying it out the first time. I just wanted to show you. So you can only add it with idea pins. So first of all, you just need to go to your Pinterest account. I guess you need to have some good followers or some good engagement impression numbers. Then you need to go to your Pinterest account, go to Creator Hub, and then just see if you're eligible for branded content. And then basically when you're creating an idea pin, you will just be presented with this pop-up. It says, introducing paid partnership, partner with brands, add your brand partner with paid partnership tool, just make an idea pin, add the paid partnership label, and send a request to add the brand right from the app. If your request is approved, the brand will show on the paid partnership label too. When you see the paid partnership tool, you will work directly with new brands or the ones you're already partnering to define payment details. So yeah, and then basically, so how I'm doing this, so I just creating some idea pin. So it should again be only idea pin. Then I can, of course, I can just pick board. So I can just, I have a lot of boards here. Anyways, it doesn't matter. You can just, I can just pick this one. I can tag related topics, but then I just have advanced settings, and here I can just tap add a partnership label, and then I just can add a brand partner. And from here, you can just select different brands. I don't know which ones can actually you select. So for example, you can select those. And then you can just send it, and approval is needed. The request to, for example, so yeah, something like that. And then you can, I guess, can you add more of those? So I'm just publishing, like, just a recommendation, just some inspirational quotes pin. And I just want to search, okay, let's just do it with Calm. So this is like a meditation app, just trying to figure it out. So that's how you do it, I guess. So now they will receive some kind of notifications that I tagged them in my story. There you have that. And then I can just tap to publish. And then if they approve that, they will just have some kind of like a notification near my pin story. And then I don't know, like the payment agreement, probably you just need to reach out to them and figure out how much they can pay you. Probably you can just calculate your CPMs or like what's the average you have and stuff like that. So that can be the way to do it. So let's just hit, please confirm that you have. Okay, so that's basically it. So then you can just tap there, and then you can just submit it, for example. So just like an example, what you can do, and then probably they can just react to your pin. And yeah, so I'm just trying it out. So as I was talking, like if you go to Creator Hub, then you go to branded content, that's where you can see if you're eligible. So that's that.